To factory reset OPPO A80 5G by using recovery mode, first of all, you will have to turn off your device. Basically, instead of turn off, select restart and release. Now, after screen goes black, we have to click and hold the volume down button. And we have to wait until we feel vibration and get OPPO logo on the screen with the small information about the recovery mode on the left bottom corner. As you can see, it's just right here, so we can release this volume down button. And we have to wait for another screen that will pops up. Now, by using volume down buttons, you will have to scroll for English and select with the power button to confirm. Then select to format data with the power button and input this code with your keyboard. Then click to format. Now just wait for wiping data, click OK, and it's finished. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.